Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. I haven't filmed a video in quite some time, but I thought this was a really good reason to start filming again. I've just been really busy with other stuff in life, but yeah, I have this 20A Chanel unboxing that I am really excited to share with you. This is a true unboxing. I've never actually seen this piece in real life. My sales associates here in Toronto were sold out of this item. I was a little late to the game, and so I was really lucky to find one from the Calgary boutique, and my SA there shipped it to me, so it just arrived and I'm really excited to actually see it in person. So I'm gonna stop talking now and just get into the unboxing. So all I did was take it out of the cardboard box, so it came nicely packaged like this with extra camellias, and here is my receipt. I will share price information afterwards. So the box, you can probably guess what type of bag it is from the size of the box. Let's see if I can get this camellia off. There we go. This is my first Chanel unboxing in a while that was straight from the boutique, because my Chanel 19 bags I had to source elsewhere, so this is exciting. Here's the box, and here is the dust bag. It's weird that there's no tissue in it. That's really strange. Okay, anyone ever received one without any tissue in it? I find that really weird, but anyway, here is the dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited to see this bag. To reveal, here is the 20A mini 2.55 reissue in the chevron quilting with So Black hardware. Oh my gosh, I love the leather on this. It's so beautiful. It's the aged calfskin, and it's got the black hardware. I really wanted a So Black a So Black reissue. I originally wanted one in the 225 size, but when I saw that it came out in the mini, the price is just so much better. I just thought, you know, I may as well just get the mini, because the prices have just gotten ridiculous. I mean, even for this one, the new price was kind of ridiculous, but oh, I love the leather on this. It's nice and distressed, which is what I wanted. And yeah, it's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the leather feels nice. And so I was told, yeah, can you see that? The chain has this like rainbow effect. It's black, but it's got that like rainbow hardware effect on it. That is so pretty. I hope that's coming up. I think it is coming up on camera. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I will do a review of it once I've used it, but I mean, I have a review on my other mini reissues. I have two other ones, but yeah, this one is gorgeous. I love the distressing on the leather. And oh, let's see where it's made. So it is made in France. You can see that. Yeah, it's got the stickers on the hardware. I will take those off later. Yeah, I'm loving the distressed leather, and this chain is just so pretty. I love So Black bags. I have my So Black rectangular mini, which I thought for a second that maybe it was silly to have that and this, because they're the same, pretty much the same size, and now both So Black, but my justification is that the mini is well, it's quilted, so it's different in that way. It's a different kind of leather. That's crumpled calfskin. This is the aged calfskin or distressed calfskin. And this one, I just love that it has the 4 grommets, so it's a little more versatile. I can wear it with the strap doubled up, and I can't do that with the rectangular mini. So, and this obviously it's a reissue style. The other one's the classic CC style. So, I don't know. I justified it in my head that way, but yeah, so I have that one and the small So Black Cocoa handle, which I love too. I just love So Black bags, and I actually almost bought a So Black Saint Laurent bag the other day, but I stopped myself because I was really hoping to find this one, and I'm glad I went with this one because it's just so gorgeous. It feels so well made, and yeah, I'm gonna look it over more closely once I stop filming, but first impressions are that it's beautiful. And I know that rainbow mini reissue is really popular this season, but I think it's pretty. I'm not 100% sold on that kind of foily looking leather. I mean, it's pretty, but I'm not sure that it'll wear well, and it also, I don't know, I just don't see it going with a whole lot. Like this I'm gonna use all the time. I think it'll just go with everything, especially because it's got the black hardware. So I just think this was a better option for me. Yeah, I love So Black bags, especially Chanel ones. They're just beautiful, but the Saint Laurent ones are really pretty too, and a much better price point. Speaking of which, so the new price on this beauty in Canadian was $5,550 plus tax. So yeah, I don't see myself buying a ton more Chanel bags unless I sell some, because the prices are very, very high right now, and it's too much. But this one I could not resist. I have this year been doing a 1-in, 1-out policy, and I have not sold one in a while, so I may have to sell one now to stick with my policy, but I just don't know what one I would sell, because right now I love all the bags I have, so we'll see. But oh, I did want to check before I end the video to see, I think we're now in a 30 series. Let me check I just want to check the authenticity card. Yeah, so this is my first 30 series bag. It is from 20A, like I said. So there were lots of really beautiful bags in this collection, but this is the one that I just could not stop thinking about. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Yeah, sorry I haven't been filming. I took a little break from YouTube and from Instagram. I just needed to focus on real life stuff. So anyway, it feels nice to be back though, and I will post some pictures of this beauty on Instagram as well. I hope everybody is doing well, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.